OCO, and welcome to the Cherokee National Holiday.
Let's go, here we go, here we go. Good job, all the way in, everybody. Woo! Let's go.
That's a big one, you take it off, right? Taking fish off and sign them out.
I know, but hold on.
Yes, you want not. Thế quý có xe rồi xe đấy. Ô siêu. Siêu, rồi xe đấy.
Survival is who we are as Cherokee people. And in 2014, 175 years later, we're doing more than just surviving in northeastern Oklahoma. We are thriving.
Ah, look at them. Oh, 538, all right.
We want all of our veterans to feel completely at home, that this is your house.
Have